Make banana and strawberry Jell-O salad. Flavored gelatin desserts are perpetual crowd pleasers, whether it is for a birthday or a regular holiday celebration. Gelatin snacks are easy to make and will definitely be liked by everyone. To make your gelatin dessert a standout dish, try adding some fresh fruits to your recipe to add some spark. The steps below should help you enhance and improve your typical fruit-flavored gelatin dessert in time for your next party or potluck gathering. Materials that you will need: 1 piece of banana, sliced into rings. Instant strawberry gelatin mix, 2 boxes, preferably Jell-O sliced strawberries, fresh or frozen, 1 cup chopped nuts for garnish. Cake pan, made of glass. Making your gelatin mix. The first thing you need to do is to prepare your gelatin based from the package instructions, which should involve you dissolving the gelatin mix on a pan of hot, but not boiling, water. Once the gelatin mix is completely dissolved, pour it into a separate container, something that is more wide than deep, and let it cool to set. Making your toppings. While waiting for your Jell-O to completely set, slice up some pieces of banana and about a cup of your strawberries, fresh or frozen. Cut them in thin slices. They should be thin enough to be eaten on one go but not that small enough so that they still are discernible from the mix. Mixing your gelatin and fruit toppings. Once you are done chopping your toppings, place them on your cooling gelatin mixture. Your gelatin should absorb some of them so that they end up settling on the upper portion of your Jell-O. Make sure that they are evenly spaced when you sprinkle them on your gelatin so that the distribution is as even as possible. You can also sprinkle it with nuts of your choice for a varied texture. Letting your Jell-O cool completely. When you are done assembling your dessert, cover your tray with plastic wrap and cool your fruit-flavored creation in your refrigerator for several hours. You should allow it to set for around 3 to 4 hours. Dressing up your gelatin. Once you have set the gelatin, uncover it just before serving and pipe some whipped cream on top. You can also use ice cream or frozen yogurt as an alternative. Other alternatives. You can try mixing your gelatin with other fruits and flavors. Banana and chocolate gelatin would go together, as well as some mixed berries such as blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries. You can also try other canned fruits such as pineapple or lychees. There are also many ways on how to dress up your Jell-O, such as placing crushed graham crackers on top, or some shaved white chocolate would also work well. Another topping to complement fruits are flavored ice shavings and syrups such as caramel and strawberry. Gelatin desserts are also great to have as packed desserts for kids going to school or for something sweet to take with you to work. It is quite inexpensive to make and relatively easy to prepare.